Facebook marketing for local businesses. Facebook's best use for digital marketers is as a platform to raise awareness of your brand, build followers, and boost customer loyalty. 5 fantastic ways to use Facebook ads to improve your local digital marketing. You can see how your competitors are doing using your Facebook business page's built-in function. Just click on Insights and scroll down to Function Pages to watch. Add your competitors to the performance overview, and in just a second, you can directly compare their performance with yours. You can also use this tool to see what content is getting them the results you want. Then apply this information to your own promotional strategy. Use Facebook Audience Insights. Facebook is a literal goldmine of demographic information about prospective customers, including their interests, employment history, age, and relationship status. It also offers extremely precise geo-targeting right down to postcode level, allowing you to target your ads to the exact market segment you want to reach. One of the best things about Facebook is that you can use it to get important data in seconds. Search Google for Facebook Audience Insights and click on the link. Within moments, you'll be able to use an easy online application that will give you valuable marketing insights many research companies charge hundreds for. Post content with maximum appeal. Make sure all your content is carefully targeted to your main follower demographic, so you are posting only what people want to read about and learn about. Use visual or video to complement your text post, and make sure you use a killer cover photo of your local business. Try posting competitions and fun polls to up follower engagement, and consider using your Facebook timeline to share your brand's history and tell your story. Partner with local charities to boost your reach and win community trust. Giving a percentage of your sales or profits to local charities and non-profits can be an excellent way to show your business is engaged with the community in your area. It's a great strategy to win public trust and helps to raise awareness of your brand. People are often willing to purchase products or services where a percentage of their purchase will go to a cause they care about, and are also more likely to share charity posts with their social media network. Use the power of Facebook reach ads. 99.9% of all Facebook marketers are currently failing to harness the full power of Facebook reach ads. This is because most people tend to focus on conversion, which is important, but not the whole story. Facebook reach ads are an incredibly effective tool local businesses can use to build brand awareness. They help you zone in on your location and attract as many customers in your area as possible for as low a price as possible. You can include pictures, video, or galleries in your reach ads, but always remember that a strong call to action in the text is a must, and you should also include your brand's contact information. Reach ad text should be short, direct, and immediately engaging. The aim here is to stop your potential customers in their tracks while they are scrolling through their timeline and make them want to read your Facebook reach ad. Facebook ads. Facebook is a vital tool for your brand, but it's no good just jumping on and posting away or chucking money at Facebook ads and hoping for the best. The secret of Facebook's success is having great content combined with precise targeting and smart retargeting. There are some crucial things you must do to position your brand to thrive on Facebook, or you'll just be wasting your time or throwing money away on ads that won't perform. Facebook fundamentals. First, make sure your Facebook business page cover stands out with an appealing picture or engaging video. Use your page to tell a story about your brand and state what you're offering and what you do clearly. Make sure you've connected your Facebook business page to your Instagram profile so you can harness the full power of both platforms. Set up your Facebook Business Manager account. In Business Manager, you'll find Facebook Ads Manager, Catalogue Feeds, and the Facebook Pixel Events Manager. Here, you'll also be able to set up and control custom and lookalike audiences for smarter targeting and retargeting. How to rank higher on Facebook. Shares are the most highly rated form of engagement on Facebook, followed by comments and then likes. You can boost your followers by inviting everyone who gives you a like to your Facebook business page. Most people fail on Facebook because they don't understand Facebook's new 3 key ranking metrics. This is how you will achieve your position on Facebook, and having a higher score will help your brand get found faster. When deciding how to score your brand and content, Facebook considers quality of your content, how informative or valuable your posts are compared to your competitors, engagement rate, number of likes, shares, etc. Conversion rate ranking measures your brand performance compared to your competitors. The customer journey is vital. Another factor you must consider is the 3-stage customer journey to purchase. The customer journey can be compared to a relationship. In a relationship, the goal is to get commitment, but in this case, the commitment you're seeking is to get the customer to buy. Before they will commit to purchase though, customers must first, discover your brand and get to know you. 2, trust you. So that 3, they can make the decision to commit, i.e. purchase. This is where Facebook ads come in. To achieve the first stage of the customer journey, you need to reach potential customers, and you can do this by using reach ads and brand awareness ads. Raising your profile on Facebook. Reach ads and brand awareness ads are specially designed to help you reach as many people as possible, as cheaply as possible. Use videos, pictures or picture galleries or pictures with good text in your reach ads. Make sure you include links and contact details. Your targeting will be wider when placing these types of ads and should mainly be focused on location, income, interest and age. Winning customers' trust. Once you've made people aware you exist, you need to engage them and make them view you as a superior choice, so you can go on to achieve the second stage of the customer journey. Create strong, appealing content with a heavy emphasis on engaging visuals. Use picture galleries, professionally shot videos, and always accompany your text content with an image. During this phase, you can also place messenger ads to automatically chat with your customers, and you can use lead ads to generate a stream of new interested customers. You can also create Facebook traffic ads to drive people to your website and prime them for retargeting via dynamic conversion ads. This way, you can reel people in using ads precisely targeted to the products or services they've already expressed an interest in. Close the deal. This is the third stage of the customer journey and is where your targeting should become more precise. Use the power of custom and lookalike audiences to precision target your ads. Custom and lookalike audiences can be used to target 1. People visiting your webpage. 2. People who've performed a desired action on your webpage, like started the checkout process. 3. People who've engaged with your Facebook business page. 4. People engaging with your Instagram profile. 5. Customer lists you've uploaded into Facebook Business Manager. 6. People who've been watching your videos. You can boost your targeting and retargeting results by using localized audiences to create an identical target pool of people, highly similar to the ones who've already been engaging with your brand on Facebook or who have made a purchase or visited your website. The importance of the Facebook pixel. Setting up the Facebook pixel correctly on your website is critical if you want to convert, but though many websites offer full Facebook pixel integration, most people still fail to do a complete setup. It's not enough to just copy and paste the Facebook pixel code, you also need to use the Advent tool on Google Chrome to get the maximum out of this Facebook feature. Mark customer events like clicking on the contact button, searching for a product or location, or initiating checkout. In later videos, you'll learn how to correctly set up the Facebook pixel in easy-to-follow step-by-step detail. Once you've initiated the Facebook pixel, you can employ conversion ads, which are special types of ads designed to drive audiences to your website who are highly likely to purchase. To max the effectiveness of conversion ads, you'll hone your retargeting to focus on people who've already visited your page, Instagram profile, or engaged with your Facebook business profile. You can also incorporate standard targeting such as age, interest, location, and income to super boost your results. Your website must be optimized to perform well if you want to get the best results and convert more people from Facebook. Get dynamic. The most powerful types of Facebook ads are dynamic ads, also known as catalog sales. These allow you to retarget your website visitors dynamically according to the content they've been viewing on your website. They also enable you to retarget people who've begun but not finished the checkout process. Dynamic ads are an incredibly potent retargeting tool and require automated synchronization with e-commerce platforms like Shopify. You must correctly set up the Facebook pixel to use these ads, but you also need to set up catalog feeds for standard websites to be able to employ this super effective type of Facebook ad.